Okay, Dev. So let's see here. We were learning properties of rational number, right? है ना? Properties of rational number, right?
Yes, sir.
In the property of rational number, we are learning about closure property, right? है ना? In closure,
Yes, sir.
we learned for integers. First we learned for whole number, then we learned for integers, right? Now we have to learn for rational number. Okay, rational
Yes, sir.
numbers. So now today we will see whether a rational number or whether rational numbers are closer or not under a specific operation. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So see here, as first we will write here operation that we will apply, then numbers in which we will apply the operations, and here we will write the remark or the observation. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
As I told you, when in closure property or when we will talk about the rational numbers, if a and b are two different rational number, and when we will apply a operation, okay, among these two rational number, after applying the operation we will get an answer, right?
Yes,
Suppose that answer is c. So if a and b is also a rational number, then c should be also a rational number, right? If this statement will be true, then we can say that ki rational number are closer under that operation, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Here we can say that ki if a and b are rational number, c should be also a rational number after applying a operation, है ना? So here we will check with the basic mathematical operations, that will be addition, subtraction and division. Okay, so first we will see for addition. Okay, first we will see for addition. Okay na? So let's see here. Let's recall rational number, है ना? As we know that the number which are in the form of p by q, where q should not be 0, so this for type of numbers are known as rational number, right? The number which are in the form of p by q, where q should not be equal to 0, right? So we have already learned these things, and we have already learned that ki rational number are whole numbers, means natural number including 0, and integers, these all are rational number, right? Is that clear or any doubt? Yes, tell me. No. Now let's see here. Suppose here it is written 3 by 2 plus let it be 6 by 5. Okay, as you can see here, both number are in the form of p by q, and here q is not 0, right? So these two number are rational number, right? Now we have to solve it, just as here we are applying the operation of addition, है ना. So after applying the operation we will get a outcome. That outcome will be here we have to solve it. So the LCM will be 2 5 here 10, 2 5 are 10, 3 5 are 15 plus 5 2 are 10, 6 2 are 12, right? So it will be 27 by 10, right? है ना, 27 by
Yes.
10. Okay, as you can see here, this number is also this number is also a rational number, right? Rational number, है ना. So as you can see here, if A
Yes, sir.
and B both are rational number, then applying addition operation we will get the result which will be also a rational number, right? Now let's take a negative rational number. Okay, suppose here 5 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. Okay, now try to solve it. It will be 5 by 2, right? Here we will solve it plus minus it will be
A minus.
minus. So here minus 1 by 3, right? Now we have to take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 will be LCM of 2 and 3.
LCM of 2 and 3.
It will be 6, है ना.
Sir, number 6.
हाँ, it will be 6. 2 3 is a 6. In 3 times we will get 6. So here 5 3 is a 15 minus 3 2 is a 6, 1 2 is a 2. So it will be 13 by 6, right? So as you can see here, it is also a rational number, है ना, also a
Sir.
rational number,
Rational
right?
number.
So here as you can see कि if A and B are rational number, then after applying the addition operation we will get C as a outcome which will be also a rational number, right? If A and B are rational number, then C will be also a rational number, right?
Rational number.
है ना, rational number under
Yes.
addition. So here we can say that कि yes, rational numbers are closed under addition, right? We can say it ना कि yes, rational number.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Sure. Yes.
Yes.
Rational numbers are closed under addition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear है? Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No na?
No doubt.
Okay, then please note down it. After this we will do for the subtraction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see here. We will check for subtraction. Okay. Subtraction. Okay. So let's take a rational number, है ना. Let's take the same 3 by 2 minus, let's take 5 by 3. Okay. So when we will solve it, the LCM of 2 and 3 is, again it will be LCM of 2 and 3
6.
6. Yes. So 2 in 3 times it will be 6. 3 2 is a 6 minus 3 2 is a 6, 6 5 2 is a 10. Okay. So 6 minus 10, it will be 6 minus 10.
6 minus 10. Sir, 6 minus 10.
Yes, 6 minus 10.
4. 4.
4 or minus 4?
Minus 4.
Minus 4, है ना. Here 10 is greater ना. 10 is the greatest number,
Yes, sir.
है ना. So and then
Yes, sir.
a sign with 10 is minus, so here we will apply the minus sign, right? So it will be minus 4 by 6, or we can say that 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, so the number will be minus 2 by 3. As you can see here, this number is also rational number, right? है ना? Also a rational number, right?
Number.
Now let's take one more example. 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, now let's solve it. We will write here 5 by 4. Now solve this sign, minus minus, it will be minus minus plus. So here would be plus 2 by 3, and the LCM of 4 and 3 will be, LCM of 4 and 3,
So LCM of 4 and 3 would be
12, है ना? It will be 12. Okay, 4 in 3 times 12, so 5 3s are 15, plus 3 4s are 12, so 2 4s are 8. Now add it, so 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8,
15 plus 8. Okay.
23 by 12. It will be 23 by 12. So now as you can see here, this is also a rational number, right? Also a rational number, right now? So as you can see here, कि if A is a rational number, B is an rational number, when we will apply subtraction operation, we will get C as a result, and the C will be also a rational number, right? So here we can say that if A and B are rational number, है ना, rational number, then C will be also a rational number, right? Rational number under subtraction, है ना? So we can say that कि yes, rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Okay, इज इट क्लियर, है ना? ठीक है, जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं ये P बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में है जो हमारा आंसर आ रहा है, एंड हियर Q इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, है ना? और ये सारा चीज़ हमने पहले ही कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ लिया था रेशनल नंबर का कि P बाई क्यू इट शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P बाई क्यू वेयर Q शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर वाई Q शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, है ना? हमने ये भी देख लिया है कि Q जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो 0 के इक्वल क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए। ये सारा चीज़ हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन हमारे पहले के वीडियोस में देख लिया है, राइट? रेशनल नंबर के कॉन्सेप्ट में, है ना? तो यहाँ हमने अभी देखा कि सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड कर रहा है फॉर रेशनल नंबर्स, राइट? इज इट क्लियर? एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
No, then please note down it. Now we will check for multiplication, okay? So let's take two different rational numbers, okay? As 3 by 4 multiply by, we can take 1 by 2, okay? So here when we will multiply it, it will be as 3 multiply 1 divided by 4 into 2. So it will be 3 and 4 to the 8. It will be 3 by 8, which is also a rational number, right? Rational
Yes, sir.
number. Now let's take one more example. As here 5 is also a rational number, right? because we can write 5 as 5 by 1 है ना, which will be in the form of 5 by 2 p by q.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the second one, as here we can take 0 also. Okay, because 0 is also a rational number, we can write it in the form of p by q, that is 0 by 1 है ना. So 5 into 0, it will be 0, right? So this is also a rational number, right? Rational number. So here as you can see कि if a and b are two different rational numbers, when we will apply the multiplication operation, we will get c as a result, right, which will be also a rational number है ना. If a and b are rational number, then c will be also a rational number under multiplication, right? Is it clear? So as here, if a and b are rational number, and when we will apply the multiplication operation, we will get c as a result, and this c will be also a rational number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
है
sir.
ना. So here we can say that कि rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Or
sir.
any doubt? Let's
No, sir.
check for division also. Okay, let's check for
Yes, sir.
division.
Yes, sir.
As here
Yes, sir.
as here in division we can take any rational number, right? So let's take here 2 by 3 divided by we can take, let's take here 5, okay, or 5 by 1, both are same. So it will be 2 by 3 whole divided by 5 by 1. Okay, it will be as 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 5, it will be 2 by 15, right? So here it is also a rational number, right? Rational number. But when we will take an example as 3, okay, 3 is also a rational number, right? Because we can write it in the form of p by q as 3 by 1 है ना. And when we will divide it by 0, है ना, 0 is also a rational number, as it can be written as 0 by 1, right? So it will be 3 by 0, right? It will be 3 by 0 है ना. Okay, just wait a minute. Yes, that's here. So when, as here 3 is a rational number, 0 is also a rational number, right? When we will divide this two rational number, it will become 3 by 0, right? And here it is not defined, right? It will be not defined. We have learnt in the rational number na, in the concept of rational number, कि rational number will be in the form of p by q, where q should not be 0, right? Because when q will be 0, it will be not defined. And why it will be not defined, we have already learnt it है ना. I have already explained it in our previous classes, right? So as you can see here, this is not a rational number, है ना, rational number. So here as you can see कि if a and b are rational number, when we will divide it, we will get c as a result, and this c may or may not be a rational number है ना. As you can see in the first case, the c, the result is a rational number, but in the second case the result is not a form of rational number, or it is not a rational number, है ना. So here in division the result may or may not be a rational number. That's why we can say that कि rational numbers are not closed under division. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
है ना. Rational
Yes, sir.
numbers are not closed under division. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
today we learned that कि rational number is closed under addition, it is closed under subtraction, it is also closed under multiplication, but rational numbers are not closed under division. This is the explanation why rational numbers are not closed under division, है ना, और why rational numbers are not hold closure property under division. Is it clear? Okay, now please
Yes,
note down it, है ना. We learned till here for today. After this we will continue in our next class. Okay.
Next class. Yes, sir.
Yes, dear.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, please close your copy
Yes, sir.
and the book also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now we have to see the now we will summarize the closure property for rational numbers, integers, whole numbers and natural number. Okay, we will see whether the numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication or division or not. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we will
Yes,
check
sir.
it. Okay, let's
Yes,
first check for natural number. We will start with
Natural
number. Are natural number closed under addition?
Number closed under addition.
Natural number are closed under addition or not?
Sir, I think so. The natural numbers closed under addition.
Closed, it's mean if
Two natural numbers.
if A and B are natural number. Okay, when we will apply the operation, any operation, okay, after applying the operation we will get C as a result, and the C should be also the natural number. If
Yes,
A and B are natural number, after applying the operation C, the result will be also natural number. If this statement will be true, then we can say that कि yes, it will hold closure property under addition. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
please tell me, are natural numbers closed under addition or not?
I think so. Yes, sir.
Yes, it will be closed, है ना. As when we will add two natural number 5 plus 3, the result will be also a natural number, right?
Yes.
है ना, the result will be always a natural number, right? So that's why it will hold the closure property under addition for natural number, right? Now for subtraction.
Sir, for subtraction also, yes, I think so.
No, for subtraction it will be not. Let's see here. 5 is a natural number minus let it be here 9. 5 minus 9. 5 is a natural number, 9 is a natural number, right? We are applying the operation of minus, subtraction, है ना? What we will get? 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9.
Sir, 5 minus 4.
4 or minus 4?
Minus 4.
Yes. So it will be minus 4, है ना? 5 minus 9, it will be minus 4. And minus 4 is a natural number or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is-
sir, it's a natural number.
Minus 4 is a natural number.
Oh, no, not a natural number, sir.
Minus 4 is not a natural number, na? So as you can see here, the first number is natural number, second number is also a natural number. After applying the subtraction operation, we will get the result which is not a natural number, right? So it's mean it will not hold the closure property. Okay, so here we can say that ki natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. Okay, now let's check for multiplication. Natural numbers are closed under multiplication.
Yes.
Yes, it will be, है ना? When you will multiply the two natural numbers, you will get the natural number as a result also. Okay.
Yes.
Now for division.
Sir, division, I think so. No, sir. No, no.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, no, no.
हाँ, for division, it will be not, है ना? Let's see here. As an example, 7 is a natural number, right? When we will divide it by 3, we will get 7 by 3, or we will get the answer in decimal, है ना? 3 2 ja 6 and here point, then it will be something 2.3333 continue, है ना? Which is not a natural number, right? Which is not a natural number, right? है ना? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So we can say that ki natural number are not closed under division. Okay, is it clear? है ना? Now let's check for whole number. Okay, after natural number we will check for whole numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Whole number. Whole number means all natural number including zero,
Yes,
है ना?
zero.
हाँ, whole number means a group of all natural numbers including zero. So now let's check closure property for whole number under addition operation. Yes, tell me, are whole numbers closed under addition?
Whole numbers closed under addition.
Yeah, if we will take, हाँ, yes, it will be closed, है ना? If we will take two whole numbers as an example, suppose 0 plus 3, we will get a whole number as a result always, right? Now let's check for subtraction. Let's check for subtraction. Whole numbers are closed under subtraction or not?
No, sir.
No. Yes, very good, है ना? As when we will take a whole number, suppose 0 minus 3, both are whole number, we will get the result as minus 3, right? Which is not a whole number, है ना? Which is not a whole number. So whole numbers are not closed under subtraction, right? You can also take some more example. 5 minus 6, it will be minus 1, which is not a whole number, है ना? Now for multiplication, whole numbers are closed under multiplication or not?
Closed under multiplication. Yes, sir.
Yes, it will be closed, है ना? When you will multiply the two natural number, you will get two whole numbers, you will get again the whole number, right?
Whole number.
Now for division,
Sir, no.
no, it will be not, है ना? Okay, same example we can take कि when we will divide 7 by 3, we will get 2.333 something like this, which is not a whole number, है ना? Okay, is it clear or any doubt? Yes, Dev?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubt?
Sir, no, sir.
हाँ, okay. Now we will check for integers, है ना? We will check for integers. Yes, so please tell me for integers.
Sir, no. Sir, no.
Are you sure? Integers are closed under addition or not? For addition,
Yes.
हाँ, it will be ना. yes, it will be. When we will add the two integers, we will get also a integer, है ना. Just an example, 5 plus 3, it will be 8, है ना. 5 plus minus 3 is a negative integer, right? So we will get 5 minus 3 means 2, which is also an integer, right? So integers are closed under addition. Now for subtraction.
Sir, I think so, yes.
Yes, it will be closed, है ना. Again it will be closed. As an example, 5 minus 3, it will be 2, an integer, है ना. 5 minus 3, so it will be 5 minus plus 3, it will be 8, है ना. So always you will get an integer as a result, right? Is it clear? Now for multiplication. Integers are closed under multiplication or not? You are on mute.
Yes, sir, they are closed.
हाँ, yes, they will be closed, है ना. When you will multiply the two integers, you will get the result as integer, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now for division.
Sir, no.
No, it will be not. Suppose 7 is as here 7 is an integer, 3 is also an integer, we will get 7 by 3 which is not an integer, है ना, or 2.33 which is not a integer, right? So here it will be no, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we will check for rational numbers, है ना. Rational numbers mean rational number mean which are in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0, है ना, where q should not be equal to 0. And we have already learned the why q or the denominator should not be 0, है ना. It will come in the case of not defined. We have already checked the explanation for this case, है ना, in our previous video, right? Classes, है ना.
Yes, sir.
So rational number. Now let's check addition. Rational number are closed under addition or not?
Rational number is. Yes, sir, they are closed.
Yes, they will be closed, है ना. So here we will say yes, okay. When you will add two rational numbers, you will get again a rational number, है ना. Now after that, for subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
it
sir.
will be closed, है ना. Under subtraction they will be closed. For multiplication,
No.
are you sure?
So then it's yes, sir.
When we will multiply two rational numbers, we will get the rational number as result, na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose when we will multiply 5 divided by 2 multiply 3, so it will be 15 by 2 which is a rational number, है ना. 5 by 2 is a rational number, 3 is also a rational number because 3 can be written as 3 by 1, है ना, where denominator is not equal to 0, right? Similarly we can do 5 by 2 into 0, 0 is also a rational number, 0 by 1 we can write it. So 5 into 2 0, it will be 0 which is also a rational number, है ना. So under multiplication rational numbers are closed, right?
Yes.
So here we will write yes, but for division
Sir, no.
no, it will be no, okay, not, because as we have already learnt it now कि when you will divide 5 by 2 divided by 2, okay, then it will be 5 by 2 whole divided by 2 means it will be 5 by 2 into 2, it will be 5 by 4, okay. But when you will do 5 by 2 divided by 0 or 5 divided by 0, है ना, it will be 5 by 0. As you can see, it will be not defined, है ना, as here it is in the form of p by q, but where here q is equal to 0, right? so it will be not defined, and that's why we have this one we have already know that key. That's why a rational number may or may not, the under the division the result will be may or may not the rational number. Okay, so that's why it will be not close under division. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt till here?
Sir, no, sir.
If there is any doubt then please tell me. ठीक है, otherwise please note down it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Yes, please note down it.